Hey guys, how's it going? I hope all you are doing really great. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can work with like a flood simulation, how you can predict this one because it's very important, if you are work with like sustainable process and stuff like that, it's really important for you to raise the bar in productivity about this one. And I'm gonna show you here how you can do like step by step use ArcGIS Pro. You can also do this one on QGIS and stuff, but I'm gonna teach you how you can do this one here because it's easier. But another video I intend to do it step by step as well on QGIS. Okay. The first thing that we are gonna do here is select one field that you're gonna work with. I got this one here, and let's get started here. The first thing that you're gonna do is click in View, and also you're gonna hit the Convert here and click on Local Scene. You're gonna click this one here and converting right now. You're gonna wait a little bit though. Actually, we got like a 3D view about this field here though, but the another one thing that you're gonna do here, if you want to browse a little bit more, how to see like the slope and steep here, you can do this one here. Click here, and you can move it down, move up like this. If you need to get familiar with the field that you're gonna work with, it's pretty useful. Okay. Uh, Now, once you have our 3D map here, you're gonna click here in analysis, right? You're gonna go in a simulation here and hit this button here, rainfall. Rainfall is the amount of water that drops down. You can click this one because you're gonna use it. Okay, now you need to select our field that you're gonna work with. You can click here to create. You can select the field, right? I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Yeah, I got this field here. I'm gonna click here to create this simulation area. You can select as different fields as you wanna. I just got this one source to teach you how to do it. Okay, and here you have like our flood simulation settings, that you can work with. Okay, the duration about this one, I'm gonna put 10 minutes. I'm gonna set this 10 minutes. Click here. I'm gonna delete this one. Yeah, now you got 10 minutes. The rate here, the amount of water by time, you can put here. I'm gonna work with 300 millimeters. You can select or inch or millimeters. I'm gonna let this one as a millimeter. If you have a raster, you can select and put your raster here to work with, but I don't have. If you have like infiltration rate, you can set this one here, work with, but I don't have. I'm gonna just show you here. You can hit on apply here. Once you got this, the first step is go to simulation. Look at the duration, the rainfall. If you have like any data about evaporation, you can set this one here and look it. But let's get started here and clicking run simulation. Okay. Yeah. This information here popped up, but I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna zoom in. Guys, as the time goes by, you can see here like the the water moves from up to down. It's a runoff here. You can see the runoff. The water moves down here, you know. Oh, it's pretty good, you know. As I told you, oh my gosh, I got one thing wrong here. I'm gonna increase the amount of rainfall here. I'm gonna set clear, and I'm gonna put here 200, you know. I'm gonna click run. Let's see the amount of water here. Do it again. There. Look at these guys. The water moved down here, right? You can see a strong water flow here, moving down here, right? Yeah. On the on this dark blue here, you can see like the highest accumulation of water, and the light uh, blue here, you can see the water moves towards down here, right? Look at this. It's the view map. You got 10 minutes here, the time and depth, right? And then that's all. If you want to browse here a little bit more, if you want to rotate this one to get familiar with the field that you are still work with, it's pretty useful. If you, I'm gonna emphasize here that if you guys have like ArcGIS that you flew from drone and stuff, man, it's pretty good though. You can have like the high precision data that you can work with and understand and set and predict a lot of stuff here. If you have like the channel here on the mountains here, you can click here and create your channel here. If you need like to create one berry here, you can you can set this one. I'm gonna set one berry here. Uh, let's set one berry from here. Just to show you guys the height. Yeah, 2 meters. I got this one, and let's click and run here again. And you can block the water here to move towards like that. The water cannot pass through here because this bear has like 2 meters high. But as you can see, the water is moving up here, and then it's gonna move down. You need to create one barrel with 3 meters, but you can see here the water getting stuck here in this part. You know, you can see like a little bit still water here. That's pretty good though. Yeah, that's all. I'm gonna create one more here. Let's set here like it's pretty good. Let's set here 3 meters, and let's see how it's gonna work. Run. You can see like the flow comes down, right? Mm, as you can see here, the water is spilling in this part here, right? This it was not very useful, but you do can work with a lot of these kind of features here. And if you want to rotate it a little bit more, it's pretty steep here, like very slope, right, guys? Yeah, that's all. If you want to export this one, it's pretty simple, but I'm not gonna teach you here. But yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you very much to be here. If you have like any question about this one, just let me know here in the this comment in the bottom and stuff. Thank you very much.